Is your Spectrum TV app constantly freezing on your Apple TV? You're not alone. These freezes are typically caused by a combination of app glitches, network congestion, and your Apple TV's resources being overloaded. The app relies on a constant stream of data, and if data packets are dropped or the app uses too much memory, freezing occurs. A quick and easy solution is to force quit the app. To do this, press the TV button twice on your Siri remote to open the app switcher. Then swipe up on the Spectrum app icon to close it. This clears the app's temporary data and stops any corrupted processes running in the background, freeing up RAM. While a force quit is a temporary fix, it's often the fastest way to get back to watching your shows. If force quitting only provides temporary relief, the problem might be your network. Spectrum recommends at least 25 Mbps for HD streaming and 100 Mbps for 4K. You can test your internet speed using Apple's Network app or a third-party speed test like Ookla. If your speed is lower than expected, try restarting your router or switching to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. Also, ensure your Apple TV is connected to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network instead of 2.4 GHz, which can be more prone to interference. Another tip is to try changing your DNS settings to a public DNS server like Google's 8.8.88 and 8.84.4. These network tweaks can optimize your bandwidth and reduce latency, significantly reducing the chances of the Spectrum app freezing. A stable network connection is crucial for uninterrupted streaming.